Hello guys, I'm Godre. So let's go straight to today's business, and that's learning the interface of Corel. So we open our application. I'm using Corel X7. So to create a new document, go to the file, then create new. Then you have to name your document and actually just do some settings and choose the kind of paper format you want. That's the size of the page of your work area. Then after I've made all these changes, if you would like to print, then it has to be in CMYK. If you would like to be in screen, it has to be RGB. I'll explain what this means later on, but let's go straight to understanding the interface. Okay, yes, here we have a menu bar where you have the file, the edit, the view, and etc. And here is a property bar, and this is our toolbar, and this is our color palette. So the first thing we have here is our pick tool. The pick tool is just equivalent to our hands. It's used to pick up objects. And here we have our shape tool, where we can use to manipulate objects. Here we have our crop tool to crop our objects and images. Here is our zoom tool to zoom in and out of our document. And here we have our bezier tool. Bezier tool are used to make irregular shapes. And we have our artistic tool. Artistic tools are used to make some kind of artistic works. And here we have a rectangle tool used to draw rectangles. And here we have a ellipse tool used to draw circles, perfect and imperfect circles. And there we have our polygon tool to draw polygonal shapes, different kind of shapes. And here we have our text tool. Our text is used to write text around our document. And here we have our prior dimensional tool. Most of these tools are not actually used frequently, but the most important tools are the ones that start from the pick tool to the text tool. And here also we have our shadow drop tool, and here we have our transparency tool, and here we have our eyedropper tool. Eyedropper tool is used to sample colors. In case if you have an image you want to sample the colors, so you can use for your project, you can use the transparency to sample those colors, then fill it. And here is our interactive fill tool, and the last one is the smart fill tool. So we are going to be, as we start working on projects, start practicing and doing some little designs, you will understand how these tools work. And this is the color palette. Color palette used to fill color. For instance, I can just use the rectangle tool to draw a rectangle and actually fill it with colors, and that's how the color palette works. And that's it. So, and the property bar is where you can make changes to your object. For instance, I can try to make changes to my rectangle by making it have a kind of different edge by manipulating the edge to make it look like this, and I can also make it look like this. So that's what you do in property bar. The property bar change the property of your document. You can also increase the stroke of your object. So that's it. So the interface. So when you master this interface and you can understand how to work around the Corel interface, you'll be able to know how to use these tools and to achieve your various design goals. So in here, I forgot to mention, this is our work area. Anything outside this rectangle won't be seen when printed or when rendered in JPEG format. So in our next class, we'll be learn how to do some basic design using the rectangle tool and the circle tool. Thank you very much, and I hope you understand the interface of Corel. If you have any question, don't forget to ask me.